Hi students, let us continue with the next question. The moon's distance from the earth is 360 kilometers and its diameter 360,000 kilometers and its diameter subtends an angle of 31 minutes at the eye of the observer. Find the diameter of the moon. This question will be easier to understand once we draw the diagram. So there's the moon and there is an observer who is looking at the moon. So we are talking about the diameter of the moon, and an angle is subtended means that this is the vision of, like you see like this. So this is the vision of the observer towards the moon, and the angle subtended is 31 minutes. So the distance between the observer and the moon is 360,000, and now we have to tell the diameter of the moon. If you look closely, this is nothing but just the application of the formula theta is equals to s by r radians. That is it. Very simple. This is the theta, and if you can see, then this is actually the sector of a large, enormous circle, and this is the radius of that circle. And this is the arc length of that circle, the radius, the diameter that we are trying to find out, that is the arc length of that enormous circle, and this distance 360,000 kilometers is actually the radius of that very circle. Now simply putting in the values in that formula and you will get the answer. So we know that this formula is used for radian measure, so we have to convert this minutes to degree first, and then we are going to convert that degree to radian so that we can use this formula. So you know that on dividing 31 by 60 we get it in degree measure, because 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. So 1 minute is 1 by 60 degree, and this is 31 minutes, so we are going to multiply it with 1 by 60. So you get it in degrees now, and now multiplying it with pi by 180 you get it in radians. Now s is what we are trying to find out, and r will be 360,000. that is it, literally. Now just going to cancel these, so s is going to become 31 into pi into 3600 divided by 6 into 18, right? Now we can directly cancel this, so s becomes 31 into pi into 100 divided by 3. On solving this, you will get that the value of s is 3247.62 kilometers. If you put in the value of pi as 3.14, you will get the value of s. That is it.